Hey guys, so I want to talk about 5 things that I love about the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. So the first thing are the exposed hinges and screws on this utility. Super cool. So all around, I mean, you've got these hinges here that are super exposed. Even inside here, I mean, you see all the screws. The doors do come off, so that's pretty cool. Obviously the top on here does come out too, but yeah, so that's pretty cool. I really like that. Obviously you've got the traditional iconic Jeep Wrangler hood mounts, so that's pretty cool. The next thing that I really love about the Jeep Wrangler is the visibility. You've got a super steep raked windshield, so that definitely leads for great visibility. As far as like outside of the back, you do have the spare tire on the back, but you get used to it. It's not the worst, but you do have great visibility ahead. Also, the utility space. This Wrangler has a ton of utility space. If you'll check out my full review, I show you guys the 60/40 split folding rear seats. With those folded down flat, you've got a ton of usable utility in here, so definitely love that. Obviously there's a lot of headroom as well. The next thing that I love about the Wranglers in general, this is a legendary vehicle, and it's the Jeep nod. I don't know exactly what you really call it, but my first day driving this, I saw another Wrangler and girl driving it. It was another white Wrangler, but gave me a little nod, and we both gave the respect. So there's that community aspect there. I've noticed it with other Wranglers too, so I love that. When you buy a Wrangler, you're part of a community. The other thing I want to show you guys inside, my 5th top favorite thing about the Wrangler are the vents. Got this cool Jeep circular inspired theme going on here, just like you see with the headlights, but they almost have like a 360-degree maneuverability. So they turn all the way, twist them, so you can really find a comfort setting that you love. It works perfect for you. So those are the top 5 things that I love about the Jeep Wrangler.